Truly Free Home's laundry wash is a better kind of detergent. Its powerful, non-toxic formula is made with a unique blend of 4 salts that clean like nobody's business. While it's tough on stains, it's also gentle enough for babies and those with sensitive skin. Infused with a calming blend of essential and plant-based oils, the signature scent smells amazing. Or you can choose an unscented option. Your first order comes with a forever jug. To get started, simply fill your jug with hot water up to the shoulder. Next, add the contents of your laundry wash refill. Close the jug tightly and shake it up. To run a load of laundry, fill the jug's cap with the right amount of wash. In a high-efficiency machine, use 1/4 cap or 1 ounce. In a standard machine, use 1/2 cap or 2 ounces. For heavily soiled loads, add another 1/4 cap or 1 ounce. Pour laundry wash in your machine's detergent compartment or directly into the drum depending on your machine and run your desired cycle. Be sure to add laundry wash refills to your next Truly Free Home shipment. The more items in your box, the more you save.